Hey there, I'm John. I'm 42 years old. I started losing my hair in my teens because of high testosterone levels, so I shaved my head for about 25 years. I looked into various solutions, but rather than throw thousands of dollars away on treatments that will still leave me looking half bald, I turned to Lordhair for full hair coverage. I look younger, and that makes me feel younger. It's definitely been a big positive in my life. I'm about to drop years off my appearance in a few minutes. Watch this. We check the hair color and the size, then match the hair system to fit. Next, our expert roughs out the hairstyle in preparation for the fitting. Then he carefully adds strips of special, super strong tape in a perimeter all around the base. Then my skin is prepared by shaving it clean and wiping thoroughly with alcohol. Now it's ready to fit on and we can have a first look. He really did a fantastic job in getting the edge smooth and even. As he sprays water on, I can feel it through the lace. Now look at this guy, he's a genius. He's trimming the hair just the way I want it. This is exactly what I asked for. Look at that color match, it's perfect. It already looks natural, but he's not done yet. Almost there. At this point, I was already getting used to the feeling of the hair system. It's so light and comfortable. Some final styling, and a little bit of hold. Thanks to Lordhair, I may have turned back time.